Creating your first project is always an awesome feeling. In this module, we will work on how to create your first web API project by using ASP.NET Core 5. We will learn how to build that project, how to run that project, and how to test the APIs that are provided by default in that project. In .NET Core, there are two ways to create your first project. We can use the command line interface that is called CLI, or we can also create the web API project by using the Visual Studio. We will try to understand both of the ways. First of all, we will focus on command line interface. To work with the command line interface, we need to open a folder explorer. Suppose I am inside this D drive, then inside this D drive I have a new folder web API core, and inside this folder I have one more folder CLI. Now at this place I want to create my new project by using the command line interface of web API.NET Core 5. So let's open the command prompt at this place. Here you can see we are again at this same location. To create the new project, we have to run a command at this place. Let's see how can we use the command. So first we can type .NET, give a space, then enter new and press the enter button. At this place you can see we have a couple of templates that we can use in creating the new project. On the left side we have the name of the template. Then over here in this column we have all the short name for these templates, and here are the default programming language for these particular projects. And remember, we are working on the web API. So for the web API we can scroll down a little bit. At this place you can see we have the name of the template ASP.NET Core Web API, and to work with this template we can use this short name Web API. The default programming language for this Web API project is C#. Let's enter the Web API template name in the command. So let's type the command again, .NET space new space Web API. There are two ways to create the project at this stage. If you will press the enter at this place, then a new project will be created inside CLI folder. But if you want to give your project a name, then you can also use some optional parameters. So here we can type -- name, and you can give a name to your project. Suppose here I'm writing my API project. Press enter. Now you can see a couple of things are happening. The template ASP.NET Core Web API was created successfully. Once this was created, here are some post creation commands. So the application is running .NET restore command on this project, and at this place this command was successful. Now let's check all the files in folder explorer.